This bad boy is as nippy as it looks, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. The RiiRoo 12V ATV Viper 2020 is perfect for those kids looking for small adventures and a bit of action. The great thing about this ATV is the fact that it has a powerful 12V battery, unlike other 6V ones on the market. It's suitable for children of up to 7 years of age or up to 122 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. This multimedia player is compatible with both our key-shaped USB sticks and our brand new Bluetooth adapters. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Realistic multi-spoke rims, foot accelerator with an auto brake on release function, forward and reverse gears, padded leather style seats. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.